Hey Bubble Zoo foodies, today we're playing Which Food is Right? You'll see a delicious food and get 3 options, but only one is correct. How many foods can you guess? Ready? Let's go! Round 1. Which street food is this wrapped Middle Eastern dish? This food is made with meat, veggies, and sauces rolled in flatbread. It's shawarma. Round 2. Which street food is this crispy fried dumpling? This Indian snack has a triangular shape and spicy potato filling. It's samosa. Round 3. Which street food is this grilled meat on sticks? This food is popular in the Middle East and is served on skewers. It's kebab. Round 4. Which street food is this toasted sandwich from Vietnam? This sandwich has crispy bread with meat, veggies, and sauces. It's Banh Mi. Round 5. Which street food is this spicy rice dish? This dish is famous in India and made with rice, spices, and meat or veggies. It's biryani. Round 6. Which street food is this large wrapped tortilla meal? This food is bigger than a taco and filled with rice, beans, and meat. It's burrito. Round 7. Which street food is this thin stuffed pancake? This French dish is thin and can be filled with sweet or savory items. It's crepe. Round 8. Which street food is this sweet ball dessert? This dessert is deep fried and soaked in sugar syrup. It's Gulab Jamun. Round 9. Which street food is this crispy fried chicken? This food is crunchy outside and juicy inside, often served in buckets. It's fried chicken. Round 10. Which street food is this spicy Indian chaat? This snack has crispy balls filled with spicy water and chutneys. It's Pani Puri. Yum! Awesome job, Bubble Zoo foodies! How many did you get right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bubble Zoo.
Bubble Zoo.
Yeah!